Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sezamri. I'm Muhammad Syarif bin Dollah, Matric number 2019271. For this assignment 2 program, I need to write a Java program that can determine the salary for all employers in MagicCopy Senior Berhad. There are 3 employee types in MagicCopy Senior Berhad, which is monthly workers, hourly workers, and commission workers. Each employer have their own pay code, which is pay code for monthly workers is 1, hourly pay code is 2, commission pay code is 3. Now let's take a look the program that I write to calculate all the salaries in MagicCopy Senior Berhad. Here you can see all this program look like the same, but they have different between each other. The difference is I put pay code 1, pay code 2, pay code 3, pay code 4, pay code 5. What mean pay code 1, pay code 2 and other? Pay code 1 determine another method that I use to calculate all the salaries for workers that work in MagicCopy Senior Berhad. Here I use as if to calculate the different workers. So for the first calculation is to calculate the monthly workers. The second calculation is to calculate the hourly workers. The third calculation is to calculate the commission workers. And the last is to calculate the invalid code, which is another code than 123. Now let's run this program. Enter pay code. For example, pay code 1 for monthly workers. Enter the number of workers. So I just write 2 to know the salaries. So the salary for one workers in monthly is 2,000. For example, I put 2 workers. So the monthly salary for 2 workers is 4,000. What happen if I calculate it again? What happen if I calculate the same pay code? So the result if I calculate the same pay code is the monthly salary has been calculated. That means I only can calculate the pay code only once. So now let's run the second workers, that means hourly workers. So hourly workers pay code is 2. Enter the number of workers 2. Enter the number of hours workers. I just put according to the instruction given 15 hours. So the salaries for 2 workers in 15 hours work is 3,300. So the last code is for commission workers. So enter the number of workers. For example, I just put 1. Enter the amount of weekly sale. For example, I just put according to the instructions, which is 10,000. So the result salary is 1,050 ringgit. Okay, what happen if I put the salary is 500? So the salary is 527.50 cents. Okay, let's look all the program. I just input the pay code according to the instruction. First is monthly workers. So the workers is 2 and salary is 4,000. Hourly workers, enter the number of workers. Oh, I'm sorry, I forget to calculate if I put invalid code. That means another code than 123. For example, I just put 7, another code. the result is invalid code. If I put 4, the result is invalid code. Put 3. So if I put 3 is the code for commission workers. Yeah, just same the follow. Example, I just put 8, invalid code again. And what will happen if I put negative code? For okay, I just put negative 5. So the program will terminate this code and never will happen. Negative 1, same, terminate the program. Negative 6, same, terminate the program. Now let's do all the instruction given. 1, 2, 4000, 2, hours is 15, so the salary is 3,300. Here is pay code 4. Pay code. Wait, forget. Pay code 4. Invalid code. Pay code 2. So I already calculate this pay code, so the result will be this. The monthly salary has been calculated. So pay code 3, hours workers 1, salary 10,000. So salary is 10,050 ringgit, and this last one is negative 1. For example, negative 1. So this is the output that will out for all this program that I do. So here you can see total salaries need to be paid. This total is all the sum of all of these salaries. So Magic Company need to pay 8,350 ringgit for all the employer that work in the MagicCopy lah. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you, sir.